My name is Sveta. I am 9 years old. I am in Margarita's nursery school.
And what you want to become when you grow older?
Teacher.
Hello, my name is Mayani. I am 6 years old. I am in Margarita's nursery school. I want to be a doctor. My name is Lamin Sane.
How old are you?
Margarita's nursery school. I want to be a policeman.
Policeman.
Oh.
Good.
Hello, my name is Rajwan. I am 6 years old. I want to be a businesswoman. My name is Ajamai Sise. I am 6 years old. I am in my little nursery school. I want to young.
You want to become
What do you want to be?
Minister.
minister? Okay, good. Pa dvojčica od ministrce.
Hello, my name is Ajiramatullah Sise. I am 6 years old. I am in Margarita's nursery school. I want to be
The words? A nurse, a doctor, a pilot.
I want to be a nurse.
A nurse. Good.